What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is the Hustler's Apprentice channel, and I am your host, JR, realtor, serial entrepreneur, and overall hustler. And if this is your first time checking out one of my videos, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button along with the bell. That way you receive all the notifications for all of my future videos. So let's just jump right into it. Today I'm going to be talking about USAA. The reason why I'm bringing this up, and a lot of you guys probably like, I don't qualify, and that may be true, or you may not know exactly what the requirements are because you may be able to qualify for it. So I'm gonna just talk about it. I've been with them 20 years now, and they're awesome in all aspects. You know, they offer several different products. They're not just a federal service bank, all right? A federal savings bank, excuse me. That's not the only thing that they provide. They provide several services. I've done a lot of business with them over the years, from personal loans, credit cards, dental insurance, health insurance, life insurance, rental insurance. I've done a mortgage with them, homeowners insurance currently, savings, checking, all these different things. And I'm going to get into it why I believe you guys should join up with them. But first things first, I'm going to just, let you know what the requirements are for USAA, for those of you who aren't familiar with the requirements. Most people think that it's strictly if you served in the military, and that's not the case. So I'll just cover the basic requirements. You have to be active duty, retired, or honorably separated officer or enlisted. Officer candidates, OCS, or if you're in ROTC. When I say ROTC, I don't mean high school ROTC. I mean like OCS, actually collegiate level. Things like this. Adult children 18 or older of USAA members who have or had a USAA auto or property insurance policy. All my kids are members as of right now, that are of age, they're members. Widows and widowers of USAA members who have or had a USAA auto or property insurance policy. So those are the basics, but let's get into the two levels. So there's two levels in terms of USAA membership. There's level one, as far as a USAA member, is you just have a basic checking or savings, which is free. It just takes $25 deposit. A level two USAA member means that it's the same as above. You have a checkings and savings, and you have a auto or property insurance account, which I have both of those. So I'm a level two member. If you are a level one member, which means you just have a checking or savings account, that just means that your children and spouse are not eligible at that point. So in order to have your children, spouse, immediate family like that eligible, you have to have checking and savings and auto policy or property insurance policy to make you level two. So basically, key military status, your spouse and children are eligible once you're level two. Your spouse and children are also become members of level two. Your spouse and children can also become level two USAA members. If your spouse and children become level two USAA members, their spouse and children are also eligible. So on and so forth. Basically, whoever becomes a member, you can add that immediate person on, if that makes any sense to you guys. Spouse and children, spouse and children. I think I've even added my girlfriend one time to my auto insurance. She didn't have to be, because I guess they recognize certain things as far as being your partner or whatever. So I was allowed to add my girlfriend one time to my insurance. So you might be able to try that. Just call them up and tell them this is your live-in, significant other, and they should be able to help you out. They have, I believe, 5 different credit cards, and I'm gonna just briefly touch over those so you guys understand. These, like I said, they'll automatically give you credit limit increases, and you can request them as well. They have a Visa Platinum, which has the lowest interest rate at 6.9. They have a Visa Signature, 1.5% unlimited cash back. American Express everyday cash back, 5% on gas, 2% on grocery, and 1% on everything else. That's up to $3,000 cash back on each one of those categories. Rewards Visa Signature, that's 2 times gas points and dining, 1 times points on everything else. So these points, you can purchase certain things with these points. and they have like a catalog of things, including getting cash back. So rewards, American Express card is 3 times points on dining, 2 times on gas, 1 time on everything else. And for personal loans, they do personal loans up to 20,000. They do auto loans. I'm not sure what the cap is on that, but I'm pretty sure it's, you know, probably as high as automobiles can go in terms of that, unless you're buying, you know, something like a Bugatti or something, who knows. But I'm pretty sure they have special cases as far as if you're trying to do things like that. They do boats, ATVs, motorcycles. They do all that financing as well, which separates them apart from PenFed, because PenFed no longer does motorcycles, which I'll cover that later. Like I said, they have free checking and savings. It's a $25 deposit. ATMs, because unless you live in, I think, San Antonio, I mean, they have them. I think we have one here. I only saw one for the first time in my life in 20 years recently at a Circle K gas station. But you can use whatever ATM you want, and you're authorized up to $15 cash back. I'm not cash back, excuse me, refund. So if you spend $15 in ATM fees, they'll refund that to you, not over $15. And you can also look for ATMs online, just like a lot of these banks do locally, so you can be able to find one. They have investments, IRAs, they have health insurance, dental, health, vision, and it's all competitive. Auto insurance, in my opinion, this is just my opinion, I always tell people, they have the best rates, bar none, nationwide. My girlfriend at the time, her insurance was ridiculous, who she was with. And I added her and she saved, like, it was something crazy, like $200 a month on the premium. So just food for thought. In terms of their customer service, anybody who knows about USAA has Chick-fil-A level customer service. No cap, as you youngins say. No line. They have the best A1 customer service, Chick-fil-A level. Life insurance, I have life insurance with them as well. They have excellent life insurance. Like I said, they offer mortgages as well. And they have discounts on shopping from, you know, travel, cruises, rental cars, hotels, flowers, all types of stuff they do discounts on. So in my opinion, they're an awesome institution. If you can get in through a relative or have a relative and you just link it like that, I highly recommend you do it, you know, or if not, you can always join the military, right? You know what I'm saying? And get in like that. So with that being said, you know, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. If this is your first time checking out my channel, once again, hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up if you don't mind. Share this video if you feel like it'll be a benefit. If you would like me to check out your credit personally, to give you a consultation on what you need to improve on your credit and things like that, make sure you guys hit me up. The links are in the description. If you got any institutions you'd like me to review or any questions, you know, leave them below in the comment section. I'd like to hear your thoughts. And if you have USAA, let me hear your thoughts on this institution as well. So check out these other videos as well. I'm getting caught up because I have 2 different channels. So a lot of the stuff I have to switch it up. So you guys forgive me with that. I have my other channel, links in the description, my JR Wisdom channel. But I have other videos here. Check them out related to this topic. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace be upon you and see you soon. I'm out.